Hi, Rebecca Stevens from Workbrighter here. So I had a client recently who asked me about how to do a strengths-based interview. They've been using competency interviews for a long time, as I'm sure a number of you are, which are all focused around behaviours. And they just wanted to know a bit more about strengths. So we got into a discussion which I thought I would share with you, which is really where it all starts is having a think about the mindset of strengths and getting your managers and your people who are asking the questions into the mindset that it's about what the individual brings and what they're energised and motivated by. And that is actually very key to the discussion, way more so than in a competency interview. The next step is really then to think about what does the job involve and what things are people, what type of activities do people need to be motivated by in that job. So, you know, if they're a call centre role, they need to find being on the phone and talking an enjoyable activity. And then really you need to, in the interview, try and dig deep into these areas. So there's lots of different kind of probing questions you can ask. You know, you might say, what did you find energising about that activity, or what did you find draining? But it's really digging into how a candidate felt about undertaking an activity. And the other aspect to all this is preparing candidates to be in a different interview mindset, because obviously a lot of them are prepared for a competency question and can be quite thrown by quite a different style of questioning. So you need to prepare them for that. You also need to think about how you're going to score them. You know, what kind of system are you going to use? I talk a lot about systems and structures. So you need to think about in advance, how are you going to score what they're talking about? And then, of course, finally, you need to think about giving feedback. Strengths is a positive-based approach, and giving feedback is a key part of the candidate experience. Anyway, you can find out more on workbrighter.co.uk/secrets. Thank you.